Welcome to Abhi Videos Digital YouTube channel. What is and how to use WhatsApp manage storage in settings. This option helps to know that how much storage used by WhatsApp by photo, video, audio and other type of document, and how much storage used by other apps and files in smartphone, and how much storage is free, means available in smartphone. For use this feature, install or update WhatsApp from Play Stores. Open WhatsApp, then touch three dot icon in top right corner. Then select settings, then scroll down and select storage and data. Note this audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose only, and check description also. Scroll up or down or click on title. Then first option will be visible, manage storage, select that option. In top marked with green, it shows how much storage used by WhatsApp, audio, video and other files in WhatsApp chat. Marked with yellow indicates how much storage used by other apps and files in smartphone. And marked with red color indicates how much storage is free, means available in smartphone. Below it shows how much photo, video and other files are there in WhatsApp chats. Scroll down, there will be two options will be available: forwarded many times and larger than 5 MB. Select any photo or video and other document. Select one by one which you want to delete from WhatsApp chat and phone storage both. Then in top right corner, select this dustbin trash can icon and scroll down more. Here will be show chat wise storage usage. It will be show which chat how many storage used in WhatsApp, and which chats will be used less than 10 KB. That will be not show here. It will be show chats not displayed because they are taking up a small amount of storage. If smartphone's memory gets almost full, then an alert will become under chat option on WhatsApp. Storage almost full. Tap to start freeing up space. Select that, so it will be redirect to storage manager option in WhatsApp settings. Thanks for watching or listening. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe.